Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be telling you about the latest update that how to fix the sign-in issues and the setup issues while setting up the Windows 11 for the first time. Before I have uploaded the below video to fix it, but that way is not working anymore. So to bypass it, whenever you will be opening your device having Windows 11 in it, you will see the below screen. You need to select your country. So I have selected my United States, and after that it will give you another screen. So on that screen you need to press shift plus F10 together to open the command prompt. If your laptop or PC is new and having the FN button on your keyboard, so just press FN button first and shift and F10 together, so it will open you the command prompt. After opening the command prompt, just you have to type this command ncpa.cpl and it will open you the network adapter settings. You have to go to Wi-Fi adapter, right click, and you need to disable it. So after disabling it, again you will be opening the command prompt and you have to type the below command and press enter. After pressing the enter, it will restart your device and will show the below screen. On this screen you have to press I don't have internet, as you have already disabled the Wi-Fi adapter. So after pressing I don't have the internet, it will allow you to enter the local name of your PC and to make the local administrator account of your PC or the laptop, and this will help you to proceed further without signing in to the Microsoft account. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share, like, subscribe my channel.